Everyone, welcome back here. This is Dr. Archana Pandey, and I hope you're doing great and safe at home. I know it's been so long that I have not come up with any haul, so today I'm here with one of the best haul you can say till ever, because whatever things I'm gonna show you to here, that is going to be under a budget that is of 500 rupees, which easily a school going or a college going girls can afford. So what I'm gonna talk today, that is going to be, if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you have seen that I have recently posted that I have received few products from the Purple. This is the box, how it came off. Like there was two different boxes, but I clubbed up in one only. So I received few products from the Purple. So those who are new to this, I'll just brief what is Purple. Purple is the app which is same as like your Nykaa, Amazon, or any type of the you can say online application. They sales of the various range of, you can say, the makeup products, skincare product, hair products. So I'll be just sharing few products which I have received and have felt good about it after using them. So stay tuned to watch them. So starting with the first product, that is this face wash. So it is the face wash by Dermadoc, and it shares off, it is the skin tightening face wash. It is having the hydrolyzed collagen. Now we all know the importance of collagen in our body because it will keep our body, or you can say the skin, firm and look young and radiant, right? So this is the face wash, and it net around, it is 120 ml, and the costing is around 250 rupees only. And if I'll just show you the bottle, comes off in a pump like this. Like I haven't used, so I can't tell you how it's going to be, but I'll be sharing my review in YouTube shorts or my Instagram reels, so stay tuned for that. Next product that what I have is the primer from NY Babe, and it is a brightening primer which gives instant glow, and it is a blend like a dream, or I will just show you the texture how it looks like. So if you can see, this is the texture how it looks like, and if I'll just blend it, you can see it is getting very smoothly absorbed in the skin. Like if you can see, like you will not even feel like something is applied. So it's very lightweight and it's a somewhat silicone based, and the pricing for this was around I'll just add up here because presently I don't know, I don't remember right now. The next product what I have, that is by the this one. This is the Quirky Square, that is the Stay Quirky, sorry, it is the Stay Quirky brand, and it is a lust dust face and a body glitter. It means we know that wedding season is on, and it is now like all the get-togethers and everything has just started. So what I have selected, this is the glitter particles actually. So I'll just show you how it looks off. It comes in a tub like this. It is a 8-gram quantity, and if I'll just show you the texture, it is like, you can see it's really shining, right? And if I'll just take a very small amount, taken this much amount, if you can see. So I'll just apply on the primer. Like if you can see here, you have to just rub it very lightly, and now you can see the difference, right? If you can see it in the camera, it's really glittery, not that glittery, but yes, during the weddings it will look good. If I'll just apply it on my nose, show you by applying on my nose only. Like yes, if you can see the visible difference, like after blending only you can see the visible difference. So it can be like used as a highlighter as well. Like if you will just, like if you can see it right now, right? So yes, you can definitely go for this. Even if you are wearing any, you can say the deep neck, or the, you know, something which is showing up, so you can very well easily apply to your collarbones and everything. It will look really great in the wedding season. And yes, the pricing for the same is just, I think it's just 250 rupees, and I think it is going to last really long because we're not going to apply it every day, right? It is going to be used up very occasionally. So it's a big thumbs up from me. Then next product what I have is this again from Stay Quirky. This is their blush, that is Cheeky Blush, and the shade what I have right now is Peach Lady 3. So it comes off in a cart, very, you know, attractive, colorful, you can say the pocket hand size of this one, and this is the size of the blush. You can see it is really, it is in your hand. You can carry it in your bag as well. and the shade what I'm having is peach one. So I'll just show you the texture, how it looks off. So if you can see, that color is this what I've selected, because I didn't have this shade and I wanted to try. It's really powdery, and if I'll just show you the swatch, it's really pigmented. Like if you can see, this is the single swatch, right? So if we'll just mix it up, it is going to look very great on, it will going to suit medium to fair skin tone, I think. So yeah, it's look great and I'm really satisfied with this. The pricing for this one is just 299, so it is just a 300 product, and it's again a thumbs up from my side. Next I have few products from the Purple itself. So this is their first product, that is their kajal, which says of it is a winking together kajal. So it is same as all the other brands what it says of, that is it's more like this, coming in a retractable form, and yes, it is jet black. If I'll just swatch and show you, like if you can see, it's really dark black, and yes, it is you can say gliding very smoothly like a butter. And I think it just costed me around 199. In 200, it's really a good kajal, you can say. And after a few minutes we'll just check it whether it is smudge proof or it is getting water resistant or not. Just a second. Till then, checking out their wing liners, like they are the gel eyeliners. And one of the best thing, like you know, I love eyeliners. So the best thing what I liked about them, that it is something a different packaging it comes off. Like I think the same packaging comes off in the sugar one, because presently what I have is of Maybelline and L'Oreal. They come in a tub and a separate brush. So there are chances sometime I miss off the brush and I don't get them. So this is a good one. Like the brush comes in this only, like if you can see, right? So there is no chance of getting misplaced. And if we'll see the consistency of this again, so it is coming like the same plastic like tub. And if I'll just take one single swatch on the brush and I'll just show you, so it is again a jet black like a kajal. So I think this is also going to be a quite impressive. Like I have not yet tried and tested like how long going to last or anything, so I'll be sharing that review as well soon. I have this one from NY Babe. This is their blingy eyeshadow. The shade is Manhattan 5. I like this because if you don't have time and you're in a hurry, then you can easily apply of this shade on and you can run off. Like if I'll just show you the swatch here, right? It's somewhat copperish tone, copper type gold, this one. So I think this is going to be one of the best shade, like if you are in a hurry and confused, so you can very well go apply and let to go. Like I'll just apply on my eyelids and I'll just show you how it looks off. Like see, it's really pigmented and you will just love this one, right? I'll just apply on the other one, otherwise everyone will laugh at me. Yeah, you can see it, right? It's really a good one. The pricing for this is just 125 rupees. Can you believe it? Just 125 rupees what you're getting, and the quantity what you're getting is 1.2 grams. So I think it's going to last, and they have many other shades as well in this. And last not the least product, this is their lipstick. I just love the packaging what they are having. See how luxurious it looks off, right? It's looking like it's some high-end brand or something. And if I'll just say you the price, it is just 399. Not bad. It's a 400. And the one, you know, those who know me since long or follow me, they know like I love a little bit of pink to red shade. I'm not that much into nudes, so I just picked up this shade and I'll just swatch it for you guys. See, this is the shade, right? It's really a good one. Like it is going to be for everyday shade as well. And it's a see, and especially this packaging, if you can hear this noise, like it's a magnet one, so I love this one as well. And now it's time to check the kajal whether it is smudging or not. Oh great, see, it's not smudging. And if I'll just check for the liners, little bit, I think we need to get it dry and then it will not smudge off. But yes, for kajal it's great, right? So this is all what I had in my Purple haul, and I'll just mention the links of everything what I have received and there are discounts and many number of things are going on Purple every now and then. So you can check it out, and do let me know if you have any query or questions, anything. I'll be really happy to answer them for you. So thank you so much for watching me. Thank you once again.